Hello folks. Now I know we've talked about chicken feed and everything before, but I was just going to show you here again. Now this scratch feed that we got, it's called 7-way, and I'll read you what all it has in it. Got it here in my pocket. Now, it has cracked corn, whole milo, whole wheat, sunflower seeds, oats, grit, and protein pellet, and also it's got vegetable oil mixed into it. And we actually was able to find that there for, I'll look on the receipt here in just a second. Hold on, be right back. Alrighty, we was able to find it for $14.50 a bag. Now we had to drive over to Abington to get it, but out town at one of the places, how much was that place?
$20.
$20 for just 5 grain. So wherever you can save money, folks, that's what you got to do. But what we're doing, this is what soybean meal from last time I'd showed you. We still had that much left. That there is just more protein. We bought another bag of soybean meal, and what we're going to do, we'll put a couple cups of it in per 50 pounds, and that will boost the protein up. The protein on that soybean meal is 47%. And then we're also going to add in $5 and something. Got this at Sam's. We will add in probably this whole can for 100 pounds. But right now we got 50 pounds of scratch. We're going to add in approximately, I don't know, I'd say 10 pounds maybe of the soybean total. Let's do it. Alrighty. Pour this in. Yes, hold on, chickens. We're working on it, Donald. See Donald there? Yeah, we're getting your all's feed fixed. Now, just take my hand. Now what we do, Carolyn of a morning when she feeds the chickens, she'll just feed it dry. And then we've also got some sitting in water, fermenting seed. It'll swell up. She'll give them that of an evening. And it seems to work out pretty well. Let's go ahead to help you all out right now. Let's give you a little bit, just throw it off up here. Well, by the way they look like they like it. Alrighty, let's mix up the rest of this here. The reason we're over here in the driveway, you can see we got oodles of rain again, a little over 2 inches, and it's just wet everywhere. It's froze up this morning, it's 16 degrees, and then when it thaws out, mud. Alrighty, but no, that there's just showing you. You can tell up there they really like it. And oh, there's one just she was walking off and happened to realize they're all up here eating. Alrighty, folks. This was another way to save just a little bit of money. Feed everywhere is going up. Let us know in your area in the comments how much the scratch feed and layer pellets and everything is where you live. Y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching. Alrighty, folks. I think I showed you that time there. This scoop here we just made from a gallon vinegar jug. Drilled some holes back here in the back of this. Drilled some holes here. Scoop it up. You can see how it's swelled up here and everything. See how the water's running out from underneath of it there? Now we'll get several days out of this here. You just want to make sure you keep water over top of the grain. And sort of smooth that down. We will add just a little bit more water back to this. Now it's not fermented right now, but in a few days it'll get a fermented smell to it. And that'll help add probiotics and stuff for the chickens. Yeah, little Dixie's getting in the picture here. Alrighty, folks, let's go feed them. Hello, Molly. We're just gonna get some pictures here. Your last little baby here. Yep. Here's Molly, folks. We've not named this little girl yet. And here's Eliza Jane's two babies. Yeah, y'all playing around happy, ancients. Yep. It's nothing to eat here, Molly. Let's go over here and take a picture of this little girl. Yeah. Yep. Did good, Molly. Yep, you take care of it. There's Miss Eliza Jane. Yeah, we just getting some pictures of your babies. Yeah. This ain't nothing to eat either. No. Yeah, you two jumping and playing, ain't you? Yeah, look at you. You take care of them. You both did good. Where's Rusty? Okay, there's Pumpkin, her little boy, Rusty. He ain't so little anymore. Oh, Pumpkin. Oh, Rusty. Yeah. Yeah, back there's Mary and her babies.